Hello to all the students of the 2020 graduating batch. This is Manu Santhanam, currently the head of the Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Madras. I'm sure all of you would have rather been on campus amidst your friends, enjoying yourself in their company and not really stuck onto your computer looking at the face of one of your faculty members trying to bid you farewell. Nevertheless, I'd like to congratulate CEA for making this event possible and helping you be in the midst of your friends even though it may be online. You've all come to a very important junction of your life. You'll see your responsibilities going up, free time going down, but when you look back at the times that you've had at IIT Madras, even just thinking of those times that you had here, the memories would be enough to give you a smile on your face. You will cherish these moments wherever you are. Many of you would have chosen different career paths. Some of you may go for higher education. Some of you may have chosen jobs in the core field. Some of you may have chosen to go out of the core field for whatever reason. You may become a banker. Some of you may become movie makers. Yeah. So many different career choices have been made possible by the unique experience that you had here on this campus. Because you will realize that the times that you spent here were not just restricted to improving your technical knowledge, but making you an all-round kind of a personality. Because apart from your technical stuff, you had exposure to the best of what college campuses can offer anywhere in the world, right? So one thing I'd like to tell you, although I'm no Steve Jobs or Sundar Pichai to give you solid advice, nevertheless, having been with you for whatever time you were here and having taught many of you, I'd like to say a few words that irrespective of where you go in your career and whatever things you do, keep in mind these few important things. First and foremost, enjoy what you do and do what you enjoy. You'll find that life can be never happier if you are enjoying the things that you're doing. Sometimes you force yourself into some jobs just because of the lure of the money, just because of peer pressure. But that's okay. At this stage, you can make those mistakes. But when you grow mature, when you grow older, you will start realizing that there's much more to life beyond just making money. And that's when you start doing the things that you enjoy, right? So that's one most important thing that you need to follow in your life. Because ultimately, it's only happiness that is important. Whatever money you have, if you're not happy, it's not really a good life lived, right? You also have to learn to be a responsible citizen. We live in a country which has many flaws, but we also live in a country which has a lot of good things to offer. And as good citizens, we need to support the country whenever it needs our support. We need to stop criticizing everything that we see and ensure that whatever we can do for the benefit of the society, we will do. Okay? It can be a small thing like picking up some litter from the front of your household, some litter which is lying openly on the road. Just picking it up, that's something that you have done for the country, not just for yourself, not just for your neighborhood, but it ultimately goes on to help your country. So be a responsible citizen. Now, you may think that you are taking up these positions of responsibility and you have so many things to do for your family and so on and so forth. But please do realize you are still young, okay? Don't tie yourself up to responsibilities so early in life. You have a life that you need to enjoy. And there is so much that this world has to offer. Travel around, see the world. It'll make you learn a lot more than what you've learned just sitting in one place or just doing a job that you've been paid to do. Take time for yourself and enjoy what nature has to offer. The sights and the beauty of nature around the world, I think there's nothing like that which you can do once you start really getting into thick of things, having a family, having children and so on and so forth. That's too far beyond, and I think I'll be boring you if I talk too much about that. So as of now, when you have some free time, travel around, not just in our country but also outside the country. See the sights, meet new people, the experiences that you get from all these will go a long way in helping you lead a better life. Of course, needless to say, you should keep in touch with your classmates, with your friends that you meet here during your times, both from your hostel and from your department. I don't have to tell you this because today, of course, it's much easier to connect with people. In my days, we used to write letters. I'm not even sure many of you would have seen how letters look like, because you're all used to writing emails, or probably not emails anymore also. You probably do Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, right? Whatever it is, whatever be the mode of communication, get in touch with your friends, keep in touch with them, tell them what you're up to. And if you think we are worth it, include us faculty also in your list of friends. We would really like to be in touch with you. We would like to keep track of where you're going. We would be very happy to see you do well in life. Okay? So do keep in touch with us. Do keep in touch with your friends, first and foremost, of course. And keep visiting IIT Madras to reminisce the kind of times that you've had here while you were studying here as a student. Okay? So, to keep things short, I'd just like to say this, that I hope all of you do very well in your life. Whatever you do, enjoy yourself, do very well, make your country, make your parents proud of you, not just because you've earned a lot of money, no, because you've been a good person, because you've helped other people, and because you've made a name for yourself in whatever you do. May God bless you and give you a life full of fun, happiness, and fulfillment. Thank you and enjoy your time. Bye.